Stone up, you know, so I can
Yeah.
get rid of the stone in there.
Okay, we're doing a 6 foot tall. We're keeping the posts. We're placing about 5 posts on this fence, and it's going to be 6 foot. We're putting, it's going to be side by side, Japanese cedar, dark stain. We're using 2x4 pressure treated rails, pre-stained, and the kickboard pre-stained. And we're doing the number 2 Japanese cedar with trim. We're also adding the Western red cedar cap right here. You can see that there's a gate, but we're not going to need the gate here, so we're just gonna shut it off, right?
Yeah.
Then over here, all the posts are pretty good. We're going to have to replace a few of them, and as you can see, we're going to demo all this here. As you can see over here. Put this over here. Demo all this. Keep the posts. 8 foot on center. All these here. See here. There. That way. This way. Come over here. Then we're going to replace all these over here. Go this way. So you can see here. Down this way. And the smooth side is going to be on the inside, so we'll have a little more room because we're going to come out. The smooth side is going to be here,
Yeah.
So we're going to be able to come in a little bit this way, give a little more breathing room here.
Yeah, so get away from that.
Yeah. And I'm thinking, that I'm seeing is we may have to replace those additional 2 ones there, but that's not a big deal.
Okay.
I'll throw those in. Over here, and this is going to be interesting. So yeah, we'll have to figure this one out. My guys we'll figure out what to do here.
Oh, we could always box it on this.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking is
Put a post
maybe
there
going
and
this
box
way,
it,
yeah. Boxing it in there. And then there, yeah, you said there's chain link on this side, right? Yeah. So we can still build it like this, keep the chain link on that side. I guess it depends on what she wants to do, right? So there is chain link there. More than likely we'll leave the chain link, but in that case that we can take it out, we'll take it out. It's up to the neighbor or whatever. Just make it clear. We'll go this way. Now this side, yeah, this side we'll probably have to
build it.
We'll have to figure it out on this one. You guys, y'all need to figure this one out.
That's where the skinny guy comes in.
Yeah, we'll probably have to flip it like this on this side.
I can take that board off so that it'll open up that room.
All right, we'll figure that out. Y'all have to figure that out. And then they're really good at that, figuring that out. Then over here, then come this way, and then we're gonna have a gate here. We'll have a gate right here. We'll need a post. This one needs a post.
Yeah.
And then we'll add a post right here because I like having 2 posts right here. So we're going to put another post right here.
So if it would slide, how does it slide?
We would have to build we'd have to put a rail here and go that way.
Slide or
No, it'll slide like right here, this way, like a barn door.
Which would this section here, so
yeah. So we can maybe cut it here. And then tie that section off. Because we build these, so we can cut it here. Maybe cut these little trees out. And then we can maybe cut all that out there. But we'll clear it with the neighbor.